Hello, tech aficionados. Welcome back to your channel name, where we explore the latest innovations in wearable technology. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most eagerly awaited releases of 2024, the Garmin Fenix 8. With groundbreaking features and advancements on the horizon, this smartwatch promises to set new standards in the world of wearables. If you're excited about cutting edge tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest updates. The Garmin Fenix 8 has been creating a buzz in the tech community for months, and with good reason. Garmin has always been at the forefront of wearable technology, pushing boundaries with each new release. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Garmin Fenix 8 is its design. Building on the success of the Fenix 7, which offered a range of sizes to accommodate different wrist sizes, the Fenix 8 might introduce an even more compact model. Imagine a Fenix with a sleek 40mm case, reminiscent of the Vivo Active 4S. When it comes to display technology, the Fenix 8 is rumored to take a giant leap forward. While the Fenix 7 featured a solid touchscreen, the Fenix 8 could include an AMOLED display, offering brighter colors, deeper blacks, and sharper details. Voice assistants have become a staple in our digital lives, and it's about time that smartwatches caught up. The Garmin Fenix 8 is expected to feature a built-in microphone, which could enable voice commands and hands-free functionality. Garmin has always excelled in navigation, and the Fenix 8 is set to build on this legacy. Expect more preloaded maps, expanded storage, and improved navigation features. Health and fitness tracking are at the core of the Garmin Fenix series, and the Fenix 8 is no exception. While Garmin has yet to incorporate an ECG sensor into its wearables, recent leaks suggest that this might change with the Fenix 8. However, Garmin's unpredictable release schedule means there's a chance it could slip into early 2025. As for pricing, expect the Fenix 8 to come with a premium tag starting around $750 to $800, aligning with its predecessors and reflecting the advanced features and technology packed into the watch. The Garmin Fenix 8 is shaping up to be a remarkable addition to the smartwatch market. With its potential upgrades in design, display technology, voice assistance, navigation, and health tracking, it promises to be a top choice for tech enthusiasts and fitness aficionados alike. As we await more details, what are your thoughts on the anticipated features and release timeline? Drop your comments below and let us know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech content. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and insights into the world of wearable technology. Until next time, stay tech savvy and curious.